Do you remember this video? And if you didn't watch this video, then listen to this for a minute.
I mean, if you don't have a whole lot in the coin, obviously, the collection wise, if you're buying it wholesale, you're buying it from people, you can. As long as you're not.
You see those tone coins? And do you see these clean
But as we
coins?
look at the collection,
some of them.
we can see.
What I did was I picked several coins out of that collection that I did the video on. And I'll have that video in the description here and a pinned comment as well, so you can check the link out to that. But I sent them off to ANACS, and I'm going to reveal what ANACS said about these higher grade semi-key dates and those tone coins. What were the results from the ANACS submission? I finally got them back, and we're going to take a look at them in this video. My name is Daniel, and you're watching Coin Help You. Thanks for watching my latest video. If you need help with a coin, go over to our Coin Help You community and ask the question there. If you want to support this channel and buy coins from us, go to portsmouthcoinshop.com. All those links are in the description of every video and in a pinned comment of every video. So let's get started. What did ANACS have to say about my tone coins and the higher grade, look like clean coins in that complete collection?
The 10S that I sent off out of that collection, and I knew these were cleaned. It's the tone coins that I was wanting to get the natural designation on. But since these were higher grade, I wanted to go ahead and send them off. And the reason is a 10S like this can still be worth around $40. You typically, when you are in an ANACS holder, if it says AU, then you want to go back a grade to extra fine 45 to value it. That's about how most dealers will value the coins. So this one received AU55 details, and this is what the coin looks like. And it has really nice details, but that luster is just too clean. It doesn't have that red look to it. It has a little bit of the patina that's coming back from where it was cleaned. And this is a 1912, and these coins were probably dipped and just retoned in the album. AU50 details. This one here is almost a break-even coin because it's just not worth a whole lot. I was thinking maybe mint staked. You just never know with it being cleaned. But it ended up getting the AU50, so about 22 bucks on this one here. But like I said, I put them up for auction and everybody can bid on whatever they want. And here's a 22D. Now this one I knew wasn't clean, but I was looking for the weak D, and I did get that. As you can see, we can get a little bit closer. And here's the reverse. A little bit of a die rotation, doesn't really matter much. Then we have another 22D, and this one here is just cleaned, but it's AU50. So I sent it off because it was in the AU range. It's a pretty nice coin too. Then here is one of the, this is a 25D. It says clean and that it was lacquered, MS60 details. So this one's a 25D, and they said it was lacquered. It's kind of shiny. So someone put something on it, put a little lacquer finish on it, is what they're saying. Here's a 28D MS60. And obviously it received the clean designation. But all of these were, I thought, really close to mint state, but there's a little bit of wear on them, a little bit of retoning. Someone really worked on these coins. 1928S, AU50, cleaned. It's not, they just have really nice eye appeal, even for a clean coin. Just unfortunate that they have to have been cleaned at one time, but still yet, they have a collectability to them for some people. And now they're in a holder for what they are. Now, recollared. This is a 1934D. This is one of the tone ones. This is what they look like. They had a crooked in the holder for some reason. I don't know why they did that. Quality control would have caught that and they would have redone it. Here's the reverse. Then, the 1935S, recollared again. So even though these have a nice patina, these were cleaned and they retoned. I don't know if, someone could have maybe retoned them by hand. Here's a 36D MS60. It's also recollared. And I thought they had pretty good eye appeal. I didn't have my hopes up that they would get natural, but thought I would try. Now I did get one that was natural toned here. One or two, I can't remember the exact results. So this one here is the 36 MS60 Details, recollared again. Nice. Still a nice looking coin regardless. So like I said, I'll put these up on the auction probably next week. If I can't get them up this week. And we'll just sell them and let them go for what they are. But it's a good way to learn or get an idea of what they're calling recollared or artificial toned or whatever. This is a 41D, MS64, red brown. They didn't think that this one was recollared. So that's a nice looking coin. It is a little different, but they're very similar. A 1955S, Mint State 64 red brown. This is another one. A little bit of toning on it. Yeah, it's nice. On the reverse especially. I like that blue. But it's kind of surprising because the earlier ones got the recollared designation, MS64. This is a 54S. And then later ones did not. And it looked a little different, but it's kind of like splitting hairs, if you ask me. So reverse. And this one here is recollared, 1957, Mint State 60. And as you can see, it does look a little different. Not as even. They're looking for that even toning. That's the reason. The too much contrast between the untoned area and the toned area. I think that's what they were looking at. Like I said, I don't have a problem with it. I didn't have high expectations.
So there's the results. I already sold the collection to somebody that watched the video. They were okay with me pulling these coins out and sending them off. So now we have the results. We can study the coins, look at them closer, see what determines the recollared versus the natural toning. Value-wise, the earlier ones, the 10S and the 12 and the 36S, all those will be worth more than the grading fees. But the ones that are later on, like in the 50s and the 40s that were recollared, or even the 64 red-brown, they're all basically value-wise without the toning. If someone thinks the toning makes them worth more, they'll be worth enough, but basically worth less than the grading fees. But I had nothing in the coins. Now all I have is the grading fees in the coins. So it's not a complete wash, but they'll be fun to sell. And, like I said, all of them are attractive in their own right. Even though they may be considered junk and clean and ANACS coins to some people, they're not to me, and that's why I sent them off. So thanks for watching my latest video. Please like, share, and comment, and have a great day.